Hey, sound. Yeah, thank you straight. Thank you straight. Up in the stone, thank you straight. Thank you straight. Thank you straight. Up in the stone, thank you straight. Thinking like I'm supposed to. No matter where I'm at, or what I'm in, or where I've been, or where I'm at. That to be exact, that I will overcome. I am a overcomer, achiever. I am a believer in myself through the tough. For me, that's a known. I am in the stone. Even when it's that time of the year, that time that comes, that gets you going. Even when it's hard to keep going, I keep going, and there's something I'm knowing. Yeah. Thank you straight. Up in the known. Thank you straight. Up in the stone. Thank you straight. Up in the known. Thank you straight. Up in the stone. Thank you straight. Got me right where I need to be. The pressure just enough for me to build off of, to give it somewhere from where I've been, to get me there and there somewhere other than where I've been, to continue to benefit off of. That's what this is all about. That's what life is all about. For me, I speak it, I live it, I walk it, I do it. Yes, it's legit. I do this. Yeah. Thank you straight. Up in the known. Thank you straight. Up in the stone. Thank you straight. Up in the known. Thank you straight. Up in the known. Thank you straight. Yeah.